syempre, ito na yung chance ko para mapakita ko yung Ken na Ken. Kaya ang naisip ko na i-perform is yung something na hindi ko pa nagagawa sa Ayos Stage at yung maraming makaka-relate. At para naman sa song ko, ang gusto kong gawin is yung something na 90s dahil 90s kid ako. So, mahilig ako kasi sa mga love songs. So, in-incorporate ko yung ano ba yung love songs at yung 90s song. At syempre, dahil mismo ko na to, kailangan may pasabog. That's why I invited a very special lady, ang Miss Universe Philippines 2024, Miss Chelsea Manalo.
Well, my first impression kay Kenchan, he's very cute, very charming. He has that aura when he smiles, nakakakilig na agad. For the prod itself, nakakatuwa, nakakataba ng puso that they have invited me to come here. I am very excited also. And to be here, actually it's one of my dreams also to be performed and serenaded by the artists here. So for me to meet Kenchan later, it's really nice.
Nag-enjoy talaga akong buuin itong mismo prod ko na to. Siyempre, kasama sina Coach Arnie at ang Power Impact Dancers. Pero higit sa lahat, ang gusto ko lang naman talaga dito sa performance na to ay mag-enjoy at maging masaya ang ating Ayos Barkada at lahat ng nanonood ng All Out Sundays. Ito ang handog ko para sa inyo mismo.
Grabe naman yon, Kenchan! Para ako nasa Oscars, para ako nasa Grammys. Grabe,
Wow.
and of course, our queen, this is for you. And this is for you too. Man, welcome to All Out Sundays, Miss Universe Philippines, Chelsea Manalo!
Grabe, Christian, mga kaayos. Hindi nyo alam kung anong pakiramdam ko. Sobrang saya ng puso ko ngayon. It's an honor na makasama ngayon ang ating Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Miss Chelsea, maraming salamat sa'yo. Salamat sa yes sa performance na to. It's really an honor na makasama ka ngayon dito sa Ayos Stage. Kinakabahan ako, Christian.
It's okay, pero...
Napakaganda niya.
Napakaganda niya talaga at napakagaling din ang performance mo.
Thank you.
Kaya napasaya mo kami lahat. Miss Chelsea, do you have any message for your supporters? Lalo na ngayong maghahanda ka na for the Miss Universe pageant sa Mexico. What would you like to say?
Well, first, maraming salamat, Ken, for that song. And Christian, thank
Of
you so
course.
much for having me here. Gusto ko pong magpasalamat din sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin at sa patuloy na sumusuporta sa akin. This victory goes to each and every Filipino, and I hope that soon we'll be able to bring the crown here to the Philippines. Salamat po.
Yes, we're rooting for you, Chelsea!
We
Maraming
love you
salamat.
and we're praying for you. Thank you so much, Chelsea, from such a royal performance.